Adani's copper unit in Mundra has begun its operations. In fact, Adani Enterprises is setting up the plant with 1 MTPA capacity in two phases. Close to $1.2 billion will be invested in the first phase, and in fact, the project will have the lowest carbon footprint in its class and will create 7,000 direct and indirect employment opportunities. Kutch Copper, a subsidiary of Adani Enterprises Limited, also commissioned in the first unit of its greenfield copper refinery project at Mundra on Thursday by dispatching the maiden batch of cathodes to customers. Now, this marks the Adani portfolio's debut in the metal industry, and the successful progress of the greenfield unit showcases the Adani Group's ability to plan and to execute large-scale projects. In fact, Adani Enterprises is also investing nearly $1.2 billion to set up a copper smelter with 0.5 MTPA capacity in the first phase. On completion of the second phase that will add similar capacity, Kutch Copper with 1 MTPA will be the world's largest single location custom smelter benchmarking ESG performance standards while also leveraging state-of-the-art technology and digitalization. In fact, it will also create 2,000 direct and 5,000 indirect employment opportunities. Now, the demand for copper will be driven by renewable energy, electric vehicles, charging infrastructure, and the development of power transmission distribution networks. Kutch Copper is also working towards establishing Kutch Copper Tubes Limited as part of its forward integration strategy to add copper tubes to its portfolio. Now, the tubes will also cater to applications in air conditioning and refrigeration, and the technology used by the Kutch Copper is engineered to have the lowest carbon footprint. One-third of the plant area has been designated as green belt space, and 15% of the capital has been allocated towards environmental protection. To minimize the ecological impact, the plant has implemented a zero liquid discharge model and uses desalinated water for its operations. It also recycles treated wastewater within processes to reduce any sort of wastage.